Welcome to JazTime. Today we're going to do a review of the three most coveted pieces in Rolex's history. It's the Rolex Submariner, but in three different material. On my right is the stainless steel version. In the center right here is the steel and gold, and the winner is the yellow gold on the left hand side. So you're probably wondering what makes these watches different. Why would I want to buy one versus the other? And we're going to try to answer all those questions today. So let's talk about the first one here. This is the all steel stainless Submariner. What makes this watch different from the other two? Well, first of all, it's in all steel, as in stainless steel that is very, very durable. It can take a lot of abuse and still look exactly like it was the day you bought it. Okay, the next up in line would be this steel and gold. The big difference, of course, meaning when they say steel and gold, what they mean is the bracelet is gold, but actually the case itself is steel. So it's actually just gold here. It's more like gold accents. And they also, of course, have gold going around this bezel, along with a gold crown, and gold surrounds going around the hour markers. If you look into each of the hour markers, those are actually yellow gold. So let's place that next to the steel version. Now, the all gold version, of course, is going to be all gold, meaning the case itself, as you see here, the bracelet itself, the bezel, meaning this thing, and the crown, which is this part. That means the entire watch is in yellow gold. And that's probably the biggest difference. But there are some other minor differences. Now what I'm going to do next is place these next to each other so you can get an idea, and then we're going to try to do a little weight scale to see which one is going to be, well, we already know which one's going to be heavier, but let's get an exact value. So I'm going to replace these out. Okay, and let's try the stainless steel first. And that weighs 136, I think this is in grams, 136 grams. And what do you guys think the two-tone version weighs? I would probably say like 160. Oh, okay, 140. So like another 10 something grams on top of that. Now what do you guys think the yellow gold version weighs? I'm gonna say 200. 176. Boy, sure, so the steel one weighs 130 and this one weighs 170. So it's at least another 25% heavier. Okay, so let's take a look. Bring that back. Now let's take a look at these watches again side by side. You guys can decide which one you like best and which one fits your budget and why you might want to buy this. Now, if you're asking me, I think the stainless steel is a great purchase for those who want to wear it out, want to go to do sporting material in it, and want something that's still cool. They can wear it with a dress shirt. It fits under the cuff. It's relatively inexpensive. Price-wise, you're looking at between $4,000 and $6,000, depending on year and condition, etc., etc. But it's still a great all-around piece that you could wear at any time with sports or suits or really anything. It's understated so that people don't look at the watch on your wrist all the time. And so let's take a look at why you might want to get the steel and gold. Well, the steel and gold might be for those who like to have gold in their watch but don't want to have a watch that can be damaged as easily. Since this one has steel going on the outside, it makes it a bit more durable, but it still has the prestige of being gold, but it also has a sportiness of being steel, hence steel and gold, sportiness along with classiness. And the budget for this, you're looking at somewhere between $5,000 and $8,000, depending on condition, age, etc. So it depends on what you like and what your budget can afford. And the final piece, the kingpin of them all, yellow gold. Now this obviously is a great piece, but it's not for everybody. Gold, as you know, dings very easily. It scratches very easily, so you probably wouldn't be wearing this while you're diving or playing tennis or football or whatever, because when this dents, it's not going to be pretty, and it's going to be expensive. This watch, of course, is also much more expensive than the other two. On average, you're looking at around $13,000 to $18,000, depending on age and condition, which is almost 3 times the price of this steel version here. So it sort of depends which one fits your budget, fits your lifestyle, what your preference is. But at least in this video, you guys can hopefully see the difference, kind of compare them side by side. Not every dealer has these, so it's a nice thing for you guys to see at home how these two watches differ from one another and how you can make the best decision on which one to buy. Now, if you guys like this video and you like the review, press the like button. Subscribe to us below. We got a lot of cool videos at JazTime.com. If you subscribe, you'll get a feed where you can see all these videos, and we produce them on a weekly basis. And if you want to check out and learn more about these products, go visit us at JazTime.com. We got a lot of cool pictures, a ton of detail and pricing on all of these watches at JazTime.com. That's JazTime.com. We offer a 1-year warranty, free shipping, and a low price guarantee. Check us out at JazTime.com. Thanks.